And some friends ask us if our handles only use in glass doors. We not only use in glass door, and we also use in wooden door, aluminum doors, and other front doors. So let me show you some samples. This is our normal hard H-type handles. This is for polish finish. And this is for S-type handles. We can make goods according customized in different models, and it depends on your request. We can make a stainless steel 304 and stainless steel 201, and the finish we can make a 1.0, 0.8, and 1.2 finish. We also can customize size. Tube diameter can be 90, 25, 32, and 38. And we can show you now. Let me make this finish. This is for PSS. This is for satin. This is for black. This is for golden finish. And we also have acrylic and stainless steel. This is for blue. And we also can make of wooden. This is can for different colors. And we can also make rose gold, white, black, brown, and other products, other finish. You can this one. This is for acrylic, and this is for showroom handles. Not only for one tube, this is for square tube. This is also for showroom handles, tower handles. And for this one, this is square tube handle, also for shower door. Okay, I will show you two different types handles. Do you see what is the difference? For this part, can you see? Yes, and this is popular in US market. It's different here. For this part, we can make of irons. This is made of irons, and this is made of brass. This is made of aluminium. Of course, the price is different. The expensive is brass, and then aluminium. The cheapest one is made of irons.